Me to acknowledge all the visitors present here today from all over the Philippines. This is the first time we have here in Tacloban. We have here from Cebu City, Katarman.
Hinay-hinay lang.
3, 2, 1, rock and roll! Tacloban!
Let's go! Okay. Tara, let's go.
Rock and roll, everyone! Safety first! Safety over speed! Respect everyone in the peloton!
Let's go!
This is not a race, everybody! Not a race!
Ride safe.
We're no ones in one piece!
Let's go. Put kami picture. Mau pengen ngumpau bus na sugar din tanan.
Ya, ikan berawin ngani oke raw nang anad to nga burlo.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today is our Audax day. This is actually our first time joining the Audax. Okay. Santa Fe crossing. Kilometers, 30 more. We are now approaching the town of Alang-Alang, which is about 30 kilometers. I'm almost halfway towards the checkpoint, and dun magko-coffee break na tayo. Okay, let's go. Bagong asphalt. We are now approaching at the crossing of Haro Leyte, and approximately 16 kilometers to Carigara. Woo! 16 more to go. Coffee na. Alam mo yung feeling na nasa Audax ka and merong ganito. Sana all. Tempting. Anyway, 10 more kilometers to go. 10 more kilometers to go before the first checkpoint. And by the way guys, ngayon ko lang na-appreciate yung cycling bib. Kasi yung gamit ko today ay cycling shorts and hirap akong huminga. Woo! Na-break in ko naman na yung cycling shorts ko. Ewan ko ba bakit hirap akong huminga. Anyway, yun lang. Okay, we are now approaching the town of Tunga, Leyte. Balik na babalik. Balik na yung ibang team. Pabalik na yung ibang team. Approaching pa lang ako sa Carigara town proper. Maya-maya na ako mag coffee break and hydrate and refill. Pauwi na yung iba na 100 km. Wala akong mahanap na 7-Eleven along the highway. Try kong pasukin sa loob if ever meron. Sana meron para makapag-refill ng Pocari Sweat electrolytes. Anyway, sea oil. Ito na yung checkpoint. Papirma lang tayo and scan QR. Ay, may grocery. Okay na lang. Anyway, magpapapirma and scan ng QR.
Sir, sige. Kaya na lang po. Gamit mo na ang dyer. Kaya po.
Thank you. We are done with the checkpoint. Nakapagpasign na tayo and our total riding time for the checkpoint is about 53.66 kilometers and total riding time is about 2 hours. Okay, so in few minutes ay pack na tayo. And I will stop over sa next 7-Eleven to refill my Pocari Sweat kasi wala silang Pocari Sweat dito sa grocery. So refill muna tayo and push na all the way to the last checkpoint. Kilometers, more or less 15 kilometers more to go before the last checkpoint. We are now at Santa Fe, Leyte. Santa Fe, Palo, then Tacloban. Okay, thank you for the good weather. We are now 89 kilometers, more or less 15 kilometers more to go. We are now at Santa Fe, Leyte. Next is Palo and Tacloban. Okay, 15 kilometers to go before the last checkpoint. Sana tuloy-tuloy lang yung good weather. Buti na lang maganda yung weather today. Hindi umulan. Hi, thank you. Kilometers. Woo!
Thanks, Odax.
Thanks, Odax. Next year, liwat. Alright guys, we are now in Tacloban City boundary. Whew. In Tacloban City downtown, maybe 1 or 2 kilometers away ay last checkpoint na po. Woo! Success to my first ODAX experience. Woo! Sarap ng coffee. Coffee or beer? Coffee. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. This is the day after the ODAX. As you can see, recovery ride natin today. The entire course was 105 kilometers and natapos natin yung entire course ng roughly 4 hours. Okay, so pagdating natin sa slipstream, kinuha yung booklet and nag-signature tayo. And binigyan tayo ng medal, token kumbaga. And after, ay bumili na rin ako ng Jolly Hot Dog and iced mocha as a reward for myself. And gutom na rin kasi 2 AM pa lang nag-breakfast na ako and travel from my place, from my hometown, going to Tacloban, which is around 65 kilometers. So I think that's it. It was a very wonderful experience. Thank you ODAX, and hopefully next year ay may organize na naman na ODAX dito sa Leyte. Ko lang guys, the experience was great. It was my first time joining a ODAX. So tip ko lang, wag kang ma-hype kasi maraming siklista, hype na hype ka, and the moment na release na ay yung iba ay mabilis. So tip ko ay dapat kung ano yung pre-practice mo, ano yung pacing mo, yun din yung sundin mo. Huwag kang ma-hype and just enjoy the ride. As for me, chill ride lang ako. Yung iba nagda-draft, yung iba mabilis, pero chill ride lang ako. 26 to 29 to 30 kilometers per hour ang takbo ko, and chill lang, in-enjoy ko lang yung ride and hindi ako na-hype. At first, yes, I admit na parang nakaka-hype talaga, pero control. So again, maganda yung experience. May mga few friends akong nakilala from different places. And so yun, looking forward for the next one.